Prepare to be captivated and enlightened because today we have something truly extraordinary in store for every frugalist out there. Within the depths of every frugalist's heart lies an insatiable desire, a relentless pursuit of something remarkable. And in this awe-inspiring video, we are about to unravel the secrets of obtaining that desire swiftly and seamlessly. So hold on to your wallets and get ready for a transformative journey to frugalist success that will revolutionize your financial perspective. Understanding the frugalist mindset. Let us delve deep into the remarkable mindset of frugalists, where wisdom and resourcefulness collide. These astute individuals possess a unique set of values and principles that guide their every financial decision. They are masters of the art of saving, experts in living a minimalist lifestyle, and they possess an unwavering commitment to making every penny count. Yet, what truly sets them apart is their resolute determination to set specific goals and have a crystal clear vision of their financial aspirations. It is this unwavering clarity that serves as the fuel propelling them towards the extraordinary. Identifying the ultimate goal for frugalists. Prepare for the unveiling of the ultimate goal that ignites a blazing fire within the hearts of frugalists worldwide. Brace yourselves for the revelation, for it is none other than the sacred grail of financial independence. Yes, my esteemed frugalist comrades, the pinnacle of our frugalist journey lies in achieving financial independence. Picture a life where your passive income surpasses your expenses, granting you the unparalleled freedom to live life on your own terms. This, my friends, is the true essence of frugality and the embodiment of our collective aspirations. The fast track to achieving the ultimate goal. Now, let us embark on the exhilarating expedition to discover the fast track that propels us towards our financial independence with unparalleled speed and efficiency. In this grand quest, the key lies in harnessing the power of generating passive income. It is the secret elixir that propels us forward with unstoppable momentum on our pursuit of financial freedom. Envision a world where income flows effortlessly and ceaselessly, even as we focus on other endeavors. It is akin to having an indefatigable army of money-making allies working diligently on our behalf, propelling us towards our ultimate goal. Practical steps to attain passive income. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Now, my fellow financial wizards, let us unravel the practical steps that will unlock the door to an abundance of passive income. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Step 1. Immerse yourself in the realm of research and diversify your investments. Explore a vast array of opportunities such as stocks, real estate, index funds, and other ventures that will construct a robust and diverse portfolio. Step 2. Cultivate marketable skills or embark on profitable side hustles that generate recurring income. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or launching your own online business, the possibilities for financial growth are endless. Step 3. Embrace the boundless power of the digital world by creating innovative digital products or offering valuable services online. The internet is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be seized by those bold enough to embark on this digital revolution, maximizing efficiency and frugality along the way. As we traverse the exhilarating path to financial independence, it is imperative to optimize our efficiency and wholeheartedly embrace the frugalist ethos. Prepare to become the virtuoso of budgeting, my esteemed comrades. By implementing astute budgeting techniques, we can enhance our savings and minimize superfluous expenses. Remember, it is not merely about saving every penny, but also about maximizing the return on our investments. Seek innovative ways to optimize our investment strategies, astutely manage financial risks, and watch as our wealth multiplies exponentially, building a supportive frugalist community. No remarkable journey is complete without the unwavering support of like-minded individuals who share our vision and aspirations. Thus, it is crucial to build a supportive frugalist community that will serve as our pillar of strength along this transformative odyssey. Seek out Frugalist communities both online and offline, for they harbor the camaraderie and wisdom that will propel us forward. Engage in forums, attend meetups, and connect with fellow Frugalists who wholeheartedly understand the transformative power of our shared Frugalist lifestyle. Together, we will exchange invaluable tips, provide unwavering encouragement, and revel in the celebration of each remarkable milestone on our shared path to financial independence, developing a growth mindset for financial success. As we strive for financial success, we must cultivate a growth mindset that will fortify our journey, bid farewell to limiting beliefs about money, and embrace a mindset that values continuous learning, adaptability, and unwavering resilience. Transform your relationship with money and unlock the full potential of your financial journey. Immerse yourself in the inspiring stories of individuals who have conquered financial obstacles through the indomitable power of a growth mindset. Allow their tales to ignite the flames of courage within you, enabling you to transcend your perceived limitations and embark on your extraordinary financial odyssey. Embracing minimalism for frugal living. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. Every great odyssey is fraught with challenges, my fellow Frugalists. Yet, fear not, for we are equipped with the tools and wisdom to overcome any obstacle that crosses our path, whether it be unforeseen setbacks, formidable financial roadblocks, or the temptations that seek to derail our progress. We possess the power to triumph. Remain steadfast in your motivation, visualizing the ultimate goal that beckons you forward. Celebrate each small victory along the way, draw strength from the supportive Frugalist community, and allow your unyielding determination to guide you through every challenge. Remember, with every obstacle overcome, we edge ever closer to the financial independence that we so ardently seek, celebrating milestones and embracing the journey. And now, my esteemed Frugalist comrades, it is time to revel in the celebration of your remarkable milestones and embrace the profound joy of the journey. As you progress along your Frugalist path, take a moment to bask in the splendor of your achievements. It is not solely about reaching the ultimate goal, but also about the personal growth, discipline, and unwavering resilience that you cultivate along the way. Embrace each milestone as a testament to your determination and success. Allow the exhilaration of the journey to course through your veins, for it is in the pursuit itself that we discover the true richness and freedom that awaits us. And there you have it, esteemed Frugalist comrades. The secrets to obtaining that extraordinary desire are now within your grasp. Remember, challenges may arise, but armed with the wisdom and support of the Frugalist community, you possess the resilience to conquer any obstacle. Celebrate each milestone with boundless joy, savor the transformative journey that lies before you, and embrace the unparalleled freedom that awaits. Until we meet again, stay frugal, stay extraordinary, and continue forging your path towards financial greatness. Onwards and upwards, dear Frugalists. If you found this awe-inspiring video empowering and enlightening, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this invaluable knowledge with your fellow Frugalists.